Hi guys, welcome back to PassFab. Apple has released iOS 16 Developer Beta. So let's see how to install iOS 16 Beta today. First, make sure your device is compatible with iOS 16. And connect your iPhone to the computer to make a backup before installing iOS 16. Now, get iOS 16 Beta Profile. If you didn't join the Apple Beta program, go to betaprofiles.com. Scroll down to iOS 16 Download. Tap Install Profile. Click Install Anyways. Tap Allow to download the profile. Then go to Settings. You will see Profile downloaded here. Install it. Enter your iPhone passcode to confirm. It will require you to restart iPhone. Restart. Now go to General and Settings. Tap Software Update. Download and install. Then just wait. If your iPhone battery is less than 50%, connect iPhone to a power source. Tap Install now. A few moments later, your iPhone will be updated to iOS 16. And you can enjoy its new features, such as customized lock screen, and see connected Wi-Fi password.